Hi, welcome to another Geek Jabber retro computing video. My name is Tim and we're back again with our basic programming series. And this time we're going to talk a little bit about file management. So you might recognize this program that we've been working on where you enter your name and enter a number between 1 and 10 and then it counts to that number. In this case, though, we're adding some logging capabilities. So they start down here at line 160, and I'll take you over basically what we've got here. So to work with a file, we have to open it. So we've got here the open statement, we've got the file name that we want to work with, and then we're going across here and then for append, which basically means add stuff to the end of the file, which is the most appropriate way to do a log. So we're just adding something to the end of a log file. You can also do for input if you want to read stuff from a file, or for output, which is where you basically want to overwrite the entire contents of the file. But in this case, because it's a log, it's for append, to add stuff to the end of it. And then we're going as #1 to basically say as file number 1. So this allows us to have multiple files open at the same time if we needed to. In this case, we're only working with one. The next statement, at line 170, print to file number 1, the person's name, and then counted to number. So it's just a log entry that basically says this person counted to this number. And then once we're done, we just close the file because we don't need to work with it anymore. So I'll quickly show you what it does. So if we just go run, and we'll go, what is your name? Tim, and we'll count to, say, 6. Now, this looks exactly the same as it did in our last video, but if we Alt-Tab out and go to File Manager, you will notice we have this file called basic.log. So that's the basic file, or the log file, that we've just created. And I'll quickly adjust this here because the exposure went a bit wonky there. But you can see here we've got that basic.log file. So if we open it up, you can see I've done it before just to test. So Tim counted to 4, and the last entry, which is this bottom one here, Tim counted to 6. So that's the one that we've just done. So that's a quick sort of overview of how file management works in BASIC, at least when it comes to text files. But anyway, I might wrap this video up here to avoid blabbing on too long. So if you want to like, dislike, comment, subscribe, you know where to do that. And if you want to have a look at our website, join our Discord, whatever, links are in the description, and I will see you in the next video.